Kuble pi baro ngi pedang sngoba ya pi gatup khubor menta ka janmit shwaban phaj ki khubor ki babnya ngi ne pechwai ki mat pakongsan Lum jing yalang khmi bnya menteri rangba ban pentikna ki la jing pen kre ban tia la kam ni ki jing lin chop kamariang Ya kendo ki nong tre asha ya ka menteri ka koi ka kya kerpat tu klari ka sarkar ban thau kendoan ya da na ka jing shawing kam Dua kendo happy Sangma Sports Complex Tura, Pak Tokit Magister UDC. Bat penbena kertong ke VPP na benta ke election MP Syaka Lok Sabha. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri rangba ka jala konrat ke sangma hinin ke sngi ula penlong ke jingalang khmi bnya lingba ka video conference bat ki deputy commissioner lembat baro kitnat badai pet ban khmi bnya ke jing julor namar ka jing ther uslap ha ka joko por ban pentikna ke jing telakam jong ka nu ka jing lin chap mariang hapo ka jala ulong ba ka sarkar ka penle jing mut habaro ki jing julor ka jing do ki minsim brio ba ka jing tinjo ba pher ka ba ki district bat ki nong shong shnong ki kendo Menteri rangba ula ongru baka jingalang ka long man khmi bnya ya ki lat ki lenti ki bala shim de ki bo district bar ka kham dan kam man pentikna ya ki jing pen biang ba dan kam kom ka jing pen kre na uslap u bala khmi lenti hakini ki sngi banwan
This review has been done to look into all the damages and the loss of lives and the different challenges that the districts are facing and the public are facing at the ground level, and also to review the steps that have been taken by the district administration, and more importantly also to ensure that we make necessary arrangements and prepare for the coming days in which we expect that the rainfall could be more and heavier, and in such eventuality the district administration and the overall departments should be ready to ensure that all the necessary steps and all the relief is given to the people.
Kakenhuan kinong tre Asha hapo ka Shatri jong ka Meghalaya Asha Workers Union kalakerpat ya ka jing tuklar jong ka sarkar bantaw ki kenduan banyada na ka jing shaweng kam kinong tre Asha klem kanu ka daw ko babiang Kakenhuan kalai kendo ru ya ka menteri ketenat ka koi ka kya I Dr. M Amperin Lingdo ban pen sngo shaki halor ki babon ki jing e bayadei baga jing tre kam ba malaka sngi jongki habakran chikilat pathai khubor ka kong soni kharjana nong ai but ka seng kala ong ba kinong tre Asha kala pen sngo shaw menteri ban kentiu ya ka jing yo ni honorarium ka ba ar hajatin ka shibnai bat ban pen tre kam ni kentup ya ki jing mentoy ai hakaliang ka jing sumar lakalong na ka MHIS ne ki we ki scheme ka kong kharjana kalaong bakila don ru ki jingjia hakabaki Asha kila sha wengkam tang namar ki daw shimet barurang ba shnong wala ka menteri kam shim lakular AA shaki kalaong bakala penbet pat sakawe ga jingelang haka shipautre unaitung bania kran khambnia halor
send her a memorandum. He brought a coddling with us. With the memorandum that we have the 3 points with us. The point number 1 is to increase the honorarium from the state that the Asha used to get only 2,000 rupees per month. And point number 2 is to implement or incorporate a full coverage, free treatment for the Asha, either from the MHIS or from any other suitable for the purpose. And number 3, to frame rules for preventing a regulation the Asha workers from unreasonable removal of the Asha from their jobs without any valid reason, therefore by any authority. And we already had a discussion with her, but till now we haven't get any assurance from her since she already called again. He already fixed another meeting on the 10th of July.
Deputy Commissioner ka West Garo Hills Jagadish Chelani ulaong balathong da gajing tokit magister habayade ba gajing khlem ka kanro jong ka PA Sangma Stadium Hatura West Garo Hills hinne ka step namar gajing ther uslap hakidi ki khindiat sngi baladeb habakran halor ki jing ko hakaliang ka rukomshna ni contractor UDC ulaong ba on sa pinshitom kat kum ka jingmi naka kai pot tokit ulaong ru ba assistant commissioner unsa tokit halor ka te gajing jia Hakawai kaliang lapan kendria no ikibrio na kayeng mala hadin kajing tuwa kendo kabalajia hajan hotel higa dhan kiti hakamit sngi balang. Kaliang Persha ka Voice of the People Party VPP kalapin bana bakan penyang yu Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ubalong ru General Secretary kaseng kumikurtong na Shillong constituency hakani ke election banwan syakaluk sabha. Ka election committee jong ka VPP kalapin bana ka kerteng jong Dr. Singkon udukhat nongseng bat General Secretary hakajing kendu bat kilat pathai kubor ka belalong ha Shillong. Nakaliang Vice President ke VPP Dr. Karachen ulapin tiknaru bakaseng kan yat marway hakani ke election batkan panjing kershan ki wei pat ki seng sang perthei laki dei ki seng he kari ne seng riu lom kumjo.
Ideology of the party also is different from other parties. Okay. So that is, I think, it is difficult for us to work with other political parties. He is here, and he is here to concentrate on state politics. Okay, he is the president of the party, the leader of the party. We feel that he, the right person, would be in the state, not to go to Delhi. So which is why we have decided to feel Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon as our candidate for the Lok Sabha election next year.
Ukliya no yalam ka Congress uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong ba ka Congress kalong ka bakuloy ban ajing kershani ka sorkar MDA hapo ka jingalam ka National People's Party Henry Clem ka jingadan lang jong ka BJP. Habakren sikilat pathai kubor uba Pala ulaong baka seng jong u kan jin la kemen ladakala ban pin ko ngu ya ka NPP ban pendukut no ya ka jingadai bat ka BJP. Ka Congress kla kaniar ka jingkershan sya ka NPP ka balapin khlem no ya ka EC hapo ka jingalam ka UDP ha KHADC. Uba Pala ulaong baka jinglong jingman ka pher baklebak nakatu habaya day baka nong yalam CLP barim ikong amperin lingdo lembat sangut ki weipat ki MLA barim ka seng ki bala sya be seng namar ka jinglet ajing kershani ka sorkar MDA hapo ka jingalam ka NPP hashwa jong ka election arhajar arpulai. Hakawai kaliang uba Pala ulaong ba unyai ne bat yakun na ka Congress hakani ka election banwan syakaluk sabha.
I started as a simple layman. I cannot be just carried away by a party. I remain with the Congress, always remain with the Congress. I always remain a simple man. I don't mind whether I lose or I win the election, but I should not surrender my rights. I should not always surrender my values. I should not surrender whatever that intention with the Congress has given on me. No question from the NPP, no question from any party. I'll be with the Congress, contest from the Congress, and all of you should support me. I should win back.
Ka Khasi Author Society Jowai Unit Henekas ngi kala rakhe ka Thomas Jones Day ka Bashispa Prapuar ha Thomas Jones Synod College Jowai kum ka jingkan mau buram yukpa ki dak tho Khasi ubalashim ye ka benta ka bakongsan banwanra ki dak tho jong ka tien Khasi kum shi benta jong ka jing rakhe lapelong ki artli ki program bani mir jingmut halor ka phang usin yang Thomas Jones shaka tho katar daw president ka Khasi Author Society Dr. DRL Nonglai but usin yang Thomas Jones syaka imlang salang daw Reverend HCT Sumer kajing thmu jong kajing rakhe ka Thomas Jones Day kalong ban pen kan mawi ki jing sinyang bakong san jong Thomas Jones ha ka ban pen wandori ka ktien ka thaliet bar kajing itanat maryang jong ka jaj ban riu senior executive secretary ka KJP Senat mingi Reverend K Pariat ulalong ko mukong san ha ka ringkat kajing dan lang president ka Khasi Author Society Dr. DRL Nonglai Principal Thomas Jones Synod College Dr. DG Lingdo Batkiwe Kiwede. Ngin pe ke jinglong jingman ka sin beneng ha Shillong kajing shet kalong arpo 0.0 degree Celsius ba kajing kriat kalong khat pra 0.0 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong khandai pupra na ka shispa min step bat khandai pusan na ka shispa janmit kajing hap slap kalong khat saw 0.0 mm kala bandan kajing hap slap ka ba malumala ha ki babun ki jaka shwaban poish ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ini pek biang sa sisian ki mat bakong san Lum jingelang khmi benya menteri rangba ban pentik na kila jingpen kre ban telakam ya ki jingling shop maryang ya kendo ki nong tre asha ya ka menteri ka kwat kia kerpat tuklar ka sorkar ban thau kenduan ya da na ka jingsha wenkam Tua Khindo HPE Sangma Sports Complex Tura, Pak Toket Majestor UDC. Batpen benar kertong ke VPP na benta ke election MP Syekh Lok Sabha. Ti perlok de kitu ki khubor ngi la poi Syekh Bakut jeng ketup khubor jeng benta ke janmit hadu bengi de syem yang bat phila syai kesngi khubleye phi baro.
स्वच्छ जल और नारी का संघर्ष दोनों का सदियों से संबंध रहा। पानी तो पहले भी था, कभी कांधों पर, कभी कमर पर, कभी माथे